victory at Baikonur and the elimination of a GLA missile threat under their belts, American forces face the task of rebuilding a landscape ravaged by war. Aboard these ships are tons of food and medical supplies en route to a desperate population. Although relief convoys have been harassed by warlords linked to the GLA, the US no longer considers the terrorist organization a serious threat. Nonetheless, a Navy aircraft carrier is in the region to lend air support. Meanwhile, Special Forces continue their search for GLA caches rumored to include weapons of mass destruction.
Carrier command to fleet. Keep up the fire, boys. The GLA are bringing in reinforcements.
Roger that, Carrier command. Maintaining suppression fire on the docks.
Be careful what you hit. We just want to clear it out, not destroy it. Launching airstrike.
Docks are all clear. No GLA in sight.
Most of our fleet survived the GLA Baikonur attack. Our aircraft carrier and battleship escorts are at your disposal to aid with this operation. The docks have been cleared, General. Our first task will be to hold them while the supply trucks are brought in. Until the dozers arrive, we will have to defend this position with our troops as they filter in.
Battleship standing by. Adjusting rudders. Main engines engaged. Offshore artillery. Adjusting rudders. Naval support awaiting orders. Nav systems set. Battleship standing by.
Protecting the coast.
Try to minimize civilian casualties.
Offshore artillery.
Aircraft carrier.
Ready for action. On the go. We'll take it from here.
The warehouse needs to be secured, but the safety of the docks must not be compromised.
Building capture complete. Special Forces here. Take a new position.
Reinforcements incoming, General.
I want to blow something up. Sure thing.
Ready for action. Let's take the building.
I'll fire at anything on the trail.
The building is captured, sir.
Reinforcements incoming, General.
Army's elite. We'll take it from here. Search and destroy.
Let's go for it!
Need a point, man? Take a new position. On the go.
I see everything.
Special Forces here. Take a new position.
Reinforcements incoming, General. Unit lost. Congratulations, General. You have been promoted. Reinforcements incoming, General. Good job. All trucks are safely to the docks. Now let's get them to the city.
Preparing jets for takeoff.
Unit lost. Unit lost. Unit lost. Our dozer has arrived, sir. Begin building up your base. The GLA are preparing a new wave of attacks against us. Great job, sir. The people of the city have expressed their gratitude for the relief supplies. Our final objective is to drive the GLA from the area. Destroy their main base overlooking the city, and the area will be secured.